Hello chess lovers, in the last video we saw the rules of our first magical move castling. In this one we will learn about the second magical move pawn promotion. First of all, what does promotion simply mean? It's a reward for you doing a good job. So by the name itself, pawn promotion. So the pawn is promoting. For example, if the white pawn reaches the last rank, that is the 8th rank, then the pawn can be promoted into anything else. Similarly, if the black pawn reaches the first rank, then black pawn have the power to change himself into anything else. What's that? Let's see it by an example. For example, white played this, black played this, white played, black played, white took it, black took it. Obviously black is playing very badly, as this is an example only. White moved it, black moved it. Now when I'm taking the rook, you see that there is a pop-up on my screen. Instead pawn is coming on that square. So now the promotion, it says queen, rook, bishop and knight. We can convert our pawn into all of them once at a time, obviously. For example, if I took the queen, then the queen is on the board. Okay, I highlighted these squares because I just want to tell you one more thing with that in international chess there is no limit of queens. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So we can have 9 queens on the board. 8 pawns we have and 1 queen we have. If we are able to convert 8 pawns into a queen, then we have 9 queens. Only a possibility we are talking about. Let's see it another thing. If I just take it now, the rook. So we have a possibility of taking 10 rooks on the board. 2 already we have and 8 pawns. So this is an advantage only, that the pawn is able to convert him into anything else. Bishop can be converted also, this and the knight also. On that square only where the pawn reaches, the piece will come on that square only. Okay, similarly with the black ones, the thing that you have to write it down also, that we cannot able to convert it into the king and the pawn itself, because the pawn is reaching that square only, so we are unable to convert it into a pawn. And also the king is only one by each side, so we cannot able to convert it into king also. So only queen, rook, bishop, knight. That's it with the pawn promotion. If you find this video useful, do not forget to like, comment and share. If you want to learn some cool chess tips and tricks and become a better chess player, then subscribe to my channel Fun with Chess by Gaurav Sharma.